Can cats eat beans in their daily diet? The short answer is yes. Cats can eat plain, fully cooked beans in very small amounts, but they are not a necessary part of a feline diet. If you're asking if cooked beans are safe for cats, simple varieties like black beans, pinto beans, and green beans are non-toxic. However, they must always be plain and unseasoned. You might wonder, can cats digest beans easily? Because cats are obligate carnivores, their digestive systems are built to process meat, not plant matter. Eating too many beans can lead to gas, bloating, stomach upset, or diarrhea. Never give your cat raw beans, as they contain harmful toxins that are difficult to digest. Additionally, canned beans often contain high levels of sodium, garlic, or onions. Garlic and onions are extremely toxic to felines and can damage their red blood cells. If you want to offer beans as an occasional treat, serve just 1 or 2 mashed, plain, cooked beans without salt or spices. Always consult your veterinarian before introducing any new human foods to your pet to ensure it fits their specific health needs. Plain beans offer very little nutritional value for felines, so high-quality meat should always remain the main part of their meals.